If you're watching this video, there's a good chance that your business works, but it only works because of you. Long hours, constant decision-making, a lot of just jump in and fix it. That kind of effort builds a business, but over time, it also creates hidden debt. You've got undocumented knowledge, informal training, inconsistent results, burnout that gets mistaken for commitment. What made the business successful in the early days eventually becomes the constraint. Here's a simple calculation that you've probably never thought of doing. If you spend just 15 minutes a day answering questions, fixing preventable mistakes, or re-explaining how something should be done, that's over 60 hours a year. So think about it. At even a conservative owner value rate of $150 an hour, that's $9,000 a year. For one recurring issue, most owners are dealing with 5 or 6 or more. You don't need that kind of a headache, and you don't need to waste that amount of money. It's not a people problem, it's a system design problem. In this half-day workshop, I'm going to show you a clear, practical way to move from a people-dependent business to a process-dependent business without turning your company into a bureaucratic mess. We'll walk through a step-by-step systemization plan that connects your vision, your structure, capacity, processes, and people in the right order. And if your long-term goal is to eventually sell the business, this matters even more. Buyers aren't buying your work ethic. Buyers don't want your job. Why would they? They're buying your systems. Two businesses can have the same revenue and profit, but the one that runs without the owner is worth dramatically more because it can be scaled. A people-dependent business might sell for 2 or 3 times earnings. A process-dependent business can command 4, 5, or 6 times earnings. That difference can easily mean 7 figures based largely on whether the business is systematized. This isn't theory. It's a working session designed to give you a path you can implement immediately, not someday. And if at any point you don't believe this workshop was worth the investment, there's a 100% money-back guarantee. So you really have nothing to lose, except a little chaos. If you're ready to start building a business that runs without you, I'd love to have you join us.